So what are we doing today, Jonathan?
I guess this is how to make hose clamps look better?
Yeah.
So this is, I don't remember, I thought everybody knew this, but apparently not, and I found out today. But this is, I learned this a long time ago, I don't remember where, but let's say you have a coolant line or, you know, your intake, and everybody's got hose clamps on everything. So what you do is put the hose clamp on, and then what I do is I just tighten it down to where I'd be, so it'd be there. And then I take a Sharpie and I just make a mark just a little bit under. Then I take it back off. And
2 hours later.
This time you take it all the way, so
Is this why you try not to get hose clamps that are way too long?
yeah, this is why you get proper size hose clamps. Or you can cut them down, but people don't usually do that. So, but you get them the right size. But this isn't too big, but it is over. So there we go. This is heat shrink. This is cheap heat shrink. This is Harbor Freight 8 mil. Yeah, 8x5 mil. So what you do is you take it, and so there's always writing on heat shrink. I just put that down, and then you just take it and measure it out first so that you know where you're going to be. And right there. Grab some good scissors. And then you just slide it in. Sorry, bro, concentration. So, so we're just a little bit under. So you can adjust it as well if you want. Now, just take it. It's gonna take a second to warm up. There we go. And just heat it up.
One week later.
That's it. Oh, wait, that's on the bottom. Sorry. I done goofed. Not like it matters because it's not on the car, but. So now, if you're at the top of the car, it just looks a lot cleaner. I like it, and I didn't know that not everybody knew that. But yeah, just get the heat shrink, and then you can, if you don't get it all the way before, you can just do it on there. But just makes it look better, blends in, and now it looks like you have a higher end hose clamp or clamp on your intake or coolant or whatever you have it on. So I hope it helps. Thanks.